How to turn on autoplay on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on autoplay on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your YouTube. Make sure that your YouTube is up to date to the latest version. And after you open up your YouTube, you can just head over to the bottom right corner. After you tap on the bottom right corner, simply tap on the settings icon on the top right. After you run the settings of your YouTube, what you'll then need to do is scroll down till you find the section called Video and Audio Preferences. Under Video and Audio Preferences, you'll find an option called Playback. Tap on Playback, and there you'll find an option on the top called Autoplay Next Video. Now you can simply turn this on, and if you turn this on, whenever a video ends, whenever you're watching a video on YouTube and it ends, the next video will automatically start playing. And that's what basically autoplay is, and this is how you turn it on. And that is all for this video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.